Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with me today is a 2008 BMW M3. This is the sedan. This is finished in a Jerez black metallic. This is the 4-liter 32-valve V8 engine. I'm going to walk you around here and show you any imperfections that I see on the exterior. Up front here, we'll start on the bumper. You'll see just some normal road rash there. A few little spots. And a few up here on the hood. Some of these have been touched up. And up here to the driver front wheel, pretty good shape. A little bit of curb rash there on the lip. Nothing too significant. There are a few little dents over here on the driver rear door, and you might be able to see those rippling as I'm moving my camera. I don't see any paint damage, just little indentations. Back here to the driver rear wheel, pretty good shape as well. And back here to the passenger rear wheel. Again, not too bad a shape. There's a few little spots here and there. Maybe more like discoloration. Some of this is just residual water from it being washed. And finally up here to the passenger front, about the same as the others. A few little spots here and there, nothing too significant. Take you to the interior. Interior is standard black leather. Headliner's in really good shape. And up here to the business end. A little bit of scratches there on the inside of the door handle. Memory power driver seat. You do have the adjustable front bolster there. Owner's manuals below. 6-speed manual transmission, heated front seats. And as you can see on the odometer, just under 145,000 miles. This was equipped with the cold weather package, premium package, technology package. And you also have the optional sunroof and the electronic damping control. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.